In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pay via Stripe. We'll walk through setting up your account, adding what you sell, creating quick payment links, sending invoices, and safely testing everything before you go live. By the end, you'll know exactly how to accept payments and get paid out smoothly. First, create a Stripe account and complete your business verification. This activates your account so you can accept payments and configure payouts. Have your business details and bank information handy and follow the prompts in the dashboard. If you see any alerts asking for more information, resolve them right away. Once verified, review your payout settings so funds are sent to your bank on the schedule that fits your cash flow. Next, create your products in the dashboard. Add a clear name and a helpful description so buyers know exactly what they're getting. Include an image if you have one. Then set pricing as either a one-time charge or a recurring subscription. You can create multiple prices for the same product, like standard and premium. To give customers options, make sure the currency and amounts match what you plan to charge. Now, generate payment links. From the dashboard, select the product or price you created and make a shareable link. You can paste this link anywhere you engage with customers, email, chat, or social. If you have a website on platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Shopify, you can turn these links into buy buttons so customers can check out in just a few clicks. Stripe hosts a secure checkout page, so you don't need extra code to start taking payments. If you bill for services or custom work, use invoicing directly in Stripe. Create a professional invoice by adding your customer's details, line items, and a payment due date. Include clear descriptions for each item so here is no confusion. Send the invoice by email or share the link, and your customer can pay online. You can track whether it's viewed and paid right from the dashboard. Before going live, switch to test mode. In test mode, you can simulate transactions with dummy card details to confirm that your payment links and invoices work as expected. Try a successful payment and a failed one so you know how each looks in your dashboard. When everything checks out, switch back to live mode and you are ready to accept real payments. That's it. Set up, sell with products, collect with links or invoices, and test before launch. Thanks for watching.